Welcome. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So today we're going to be taking a look at Facebook and see what the chart can offer us in terms of study and possibilities of its next major swing trade direction. And remember, this is essentially a follow-up to a video I did, as you can see here. Going back, right here is the video. And so this is a follow-up to this video. If you haven't watched this video, I would encourage you to consider watching this video first. It's from early February 2022. All right, let's go to the current chart. In that video, I was talking about this bearish setup where we have on the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart going back 2 years of data. So weekly, and still holding below that threshold, as I noted and pointed out. And I have pointed out this idea, this concept, this understanding for many years. As long as it is below RSI 30.9, don't expect a major recovery. But in this very video, we're going to be taking a look at the daily. First, before we take a look at the daily, I want to take you to yesterday's close. So yesterday, you can see the close of Facebook. The RSI was above 30.9. The RSI closed at about 31.4, give or take. This is the daily, remember. So we can all be clear. RSI yesterday, end of February 2022. And you can see what I was talking about is, if you understand how to read the RSI, the fact that it has spent some time below RSI 30.9, as I've mentioned in many of my videos, spending time below 30.9. Oops. Let me try that again. So spending time below RSI 30.9 means that there's a high likelihood that even with a recovery, very high likelihood that you're going to have to test the recent lows, if not violate the lows and go lower. In other words, as long as you've spent some amount of time like we did here, we spent most of February below RSI 30.9. What I am saying is chances of a sideways to down market, even from current levels, is very high. So if I take a look at today's action, when we start recovering, you understand that because of this time spent, it makes sense. Now we are back below RSI 30.9. And this is indication that the momentum is now looking to test recent lows, either on a closing basis or test the intraday lows at about 190, and also high probability of continuing lower. Why? Because of the amount of time spent here. Now I discussed this, and I'm gonna have links in the description of the video. I've discussed this via many other examples. So that's the daily RSI. If we take a look at the MACD, just for color, as I've been talking about the MACD lately, we can see for there to be a recovery, initially, the first requirement is the MACDs have to be above 0. Now, on my settings, I use 2 MACDs, but that's a subject for another video. So, if we are going to move higher, the first requirement is the MACDs need to be above 0, and they are both still below the 0 line. As we can see, both below the 0 line. Keep in mind, if there was going to be a recovery, I would also say the RSI would have to clear this, the MACD would have to clear this recent high to begin with. This is the current, now it might change later on, but this is the current area. It would have to move above this MACD level for there to be any recovery. And also, we would have to take out the recent MACD high here for there to be a decent recovery. Now, this is a quick video. If you want more information, there are going to be free videos in the description of this video explaining this concept in detail. And again, remember, it's a follow-up to this prior video. If I don't include it in the description of this video, you can look for it on my YouTube channel. And so it is for this video. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai. All right, since you're still here, I'll remind you that if you want my premium educational material, take a free trial, check out my premium content. And also, if you're looking for breakout alerts, it's a service I've been offering for 20 years. Bye for now, but I shall be back. Mwah.